Hello everyone, I'm Rudy Martin from Uncommon Wisdom Daily. We're seeing a lot of M&A activity lately, so I think it's important to look at a growing trend, buyouts involving Latin American companies. The region generated $228 billion in announced M&A deals last year. That equals 11% of global merger activity, nearly 6 times the level it was just 5 years ago. What's even more interesting is that 2 of the year's biggest deals consisted of Latin American companies buying into U.S. firms. Consider the $1.6 billion acquisition of Ameristeel by its parent company, Gerdau, this summer. The Brazilian steel industry is taking off because of preparations for the Summer World Cup in 2014 and the Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro in 2016. Gerdau is in the best position to provide the steel needed for the huge infrastructure projects these global events will require. Meanwhile, just this week, 2 Spanish-language media giants tied the knot on their long-term strategic partnership. Univision Communications and Mexico's Grupo Televisa are extending their programming license agreement for another 15 years. The deal keeps Televisa's immensely popular telenovelas on Univision's networks. The move is also part of Televisa's strategy to expand outside its home market and into America. It recently also announced a deal with Lionsgate to distribute movies for Spanish-language audiences in the United States. Investors recognize that Televisa is taking advantage of the population boom among Hispanics in America, and they're rewarding the stock, pushing it up 30% this year. One of my better performing picks, by the way. But the trend of Latin American firms buying into US-based businesses is not new. Last year, one of my other favorite companies, Ambev, created Anheuser-Busch InBev, the leading global brewer and one of the top 5 consumer products companies in the world. The uncommon wisdom is that this M&A activity will continue. Cash-rich companies from emerging markets are now in a prime position to create real wealth by buying into cheap US companies. Emerging doesn't mean poor anymore, making these markets very exciting places to invest. That's my take. Thanks for watching.